How do you see we can overcome these concerns in the coming year from your industry perspective?
We just cannot keep any specific region or country out of this entire clean energy equation all of a sudden. The reason why China is here where it is right now is the amount of foresight which the leaders of the country had, that where the sector, where the technology, where everything was moving, and hence they made investments into that sector. So the only way is to collaborate. Collaboration is key. The only way is to collaborate and try to replicate or try to better the technology domestically.
At this point in time in India, we are talking about IoT, we are talking about AI and all the other different technologies. But for both of you, how are these technologies transforming your sector, right? And what next do you see in terms of these technologies?
India has never been a manufacturing country, and to develop that ecosystem, I think we are on the right track, and we are developing that ecosystem to manufacture, and obviously it will take time. Regarding the question which you have asked, we are basically using AI and all over in our projects. So be it the land survey, you have how much generation will happen from that project site. Predictive AI is being used. How the environment conditions will be there, and that's based on the previous trends and how it will be for next 20-30 years.